Get on board the Love Train Review Show, starring George St. Kitts with Spider Jones as MC, celebrating Black History Month. So at the Richmond Hill Center for the Performing Arts, bring your Valentine and enjoy the great music of James Brown, The Temptations, Aretha Franklin, Sammy Davis Jr., and all that jazz. Proceeds will help support local charities. Find out more and get your seat on the Love Train by calling 905-787-8811 or online at richmondhill.ticketwindow.ca.